day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, I have now here on the table for the second time this for me incredible nice and old stereo amplifier. This is the type MONACOR SA-2000, but in this case it's under the label STARSONIC stereo integrated amplifier SE-9000, but never mind, it's MONACOR. Pretty heavy, I guess, about from 9 to 12 kilograms, about 10 kilograms. I don't know the exact weight. And why for the second time? For the first time I had it here and recorded video together with legendary Hungarian boxes Videoton Supermax. It was about 10 years ago, but in this time I used the music with copyright. I used the album Yellow, so the video was deleted due to the copyright on the song, on the track. Nowadays I use the songs, the music from the YouTube library only, which is without the copyright. So the previous video was deleted, and I decided to record, to put this amplifier for the second time here on the table and test it. It was about this amplifier was about 10 years backside in front of my backside my listening room, so the correction could change, but it didn't. It sounds pretty nice. Yes, you can see here some disturbing sound by moving the potentiometers or by switching the switches, but the sound is really not bad. Stereo, pretty heavy, so the power which is in the manual or in the technical data, 85 watts per channel into 4 ohms. I mean, it's real. Now are connected my professional Dynacords with 15-inch speakers, 8 ohms boxes which are on the floor, together with this professional horn tweeters. And let's try it, that you can hear it. Left channel, right channel. Maybe you hear this left channel louder, but it's not true. Its reason is that the left box is not so far as the right box from the camera. Treble. Bass. Loudness. Off. Muting 20 decibel. Subsonic. High filter, tone different. So I believe that you like this amplifier as I do. It's a pretty nice nice device. I think we can say that it's semi-professional for me. Incredible, nice and interesting. And as it is usual, this amplifier is for sale, and you can find it later on my website Angelicaaudio CZ on the page amplifiers. I will put it into on the page hi-fi amplifiers, but I think we can say it's semi-professional MONACOR under my internal number 179321. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you like my videos you can also join my channel. YouTube approved the membership on my channel, so you can click on the join. Don't worry, nothing happens. You can read all the conditions, and if you would like, or then you can decide if you would like to join or not to join. You receive some perks. You can watch all my videos as a members first, and you can receive also some gifts free from me, some of them free shipping European Union, some of them that you have paid the shipping costs inside the European Union. So once more, thank you and have a nice day.